thought Harrah's is a gambling thing, not in California. What? Where are we? What is this place? Golden Nugget? Bolly's? Huh. Tahoe. I'm so confused. I turned around. The state line is here. We're in Nevada, but there's no welcome to Nevada sign or anything. I'm going backwards now. There's no welcome to California either. So where are the signs that say welcome? I'm confused. We'll find out. So apparently this is the state line, but there's no... So welcome to the city of South Lake Tahoe. There's no sign that says welcome to California or welcome to Nevada. What? That's weird. Okay, well, I guess there's no state sign to take a picture in front of here. So, I don't know. See, we're in Nevada. But there's no welcome to Nevada sign.